Hello everyone. Today is a video review of these extremely incredible binoculars from the very well-established company Zeiss. The high-quality binocular model Victory Compact 8K 20BT with a star. The compact binoculars equipment were sent to me for precision repair, such as this. I immediately told the owner that I couldn't promise anything, as I had never repaired binoculars of this type before. So, after much consideration, I made the decision to slowly and carefully try to disassemble it all by myself. The first step I took was to gently peel off this thick rubber coating that was covering the surface. See? It was glued here with some kind of double-sided adhesive paper, which is often utilized for a variety of purposes. Well, now I'll have to attach this rubber coating with some glue. Next, there were these kinds of covers here. Take your time and be careful, and they can be unscrewed using a T6 star screwdriver with utmost care and precision. After carefully examining the object from all sides, it appears that everything is intact. There are no visible signs of any damage or broken parts. Well, then I decided that I would definitely and completely take it and somehow try to push the screwdriver in here like this. This is how we actually pry it open. There's a seal right here to prevent any moisture from getting in. Well, and here too, as you can see, everything was, well, in a word, these lids, they were also here. There's this rubber gasket, so it's quite well waterproof. And what's the problem here? The problem is that on this lid, let me show you. See? A piece of plastic in the center. It broke off and stayed right here. And now we will have to try. Somehow, in order to get all of this done, and then attach it to this lid securely and carefully with care. And so it definitely fits in, well, I think you absolutely get it, and can rotate without breaking. So, I don't know. I don't know if it's actually working. In short, I discovered this plate, trimmed it to size, and it fits perfectly here. There you go. Now, what I thought, I'll do exactly what I plan to do. I will try to slightly heat this plate and weld it more carefully into the plastic here. After it goes in, maybe half a millimeter, I'll additionally glue it with special epoxy so it doesn't come out. And now, additionally under ultraviolet. About 10 minutes. I think it will be quite dependable. And yes, I securely snapped this wheel into place. Everything works absolutely fine. Now definitely, absolutely watch what will happen. When you actually turn it, you see, the mechanism basically moves. It essentially moves the lens. And here's what will happen when you need to fine-tune the right diopter. You take it and fine-tune it some more. This is how it works here. Now when you turn this part here, only this section moves. And in the left half, nothing moves anymore. All that's left is to screw on these caps. Honestly, I didn't need to open them, but I wanted to take a look. Looking inside, as I've never repaired such binoculars before. This is just a cool, compact, though somewhat expensive pair of binoculars. $400-something. Field of view is 117 meters. Magnification is 8. The image is clear, bright. Distortions are minimal. There is some blurring at the very edge, but it is also very, very minimal. It is really very lightweight. Not just compact. You could say it's a pocket-sized binoculars, which you can always keep by your side and it won't get in the way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support the channel, give the video a like, and see you next time.